In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Stanley knife blade in your Stanley Fatmax Stanley knife. So we'll start with the blade back in its original position. So you've got your knife like that, simply flick it open up your knife. You want to slide this forward to expose your Stanley knife blade. As you can see, we have a horrible rusty blade in there. We've got our nice, clean, shiny blade here. Simply push this button on the top and just give the blade a little bit of a jiggle and it will slot out. The blade's held in place on these little cutouts here, these nicks. Take your new blade. Again, you want to insert it into the groove there of your Stanley knife. You want to push down on your red button again, little jiggle, and you'll feel it click or hear it click into place. Just check it by retracting it in and out. Retract it in, close your knife, you're good to go. So that's how you swap your blades around in the Stanley Fatmax Stanley knife. If you want to check out our other videos on how to change blades and things and quick helpful tips, check out the rest of our videos.